How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if your WhatsApp contacts are relatively not showing up. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, let's say that you open up WhatsApp and then you try to add some contacts, but it simply doesn't actually show you the list of contacts on your phone. Now that is because your WhatsApp app could likely be lacking the contacts access. In order to fix that, we have to simply go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, we have to scroll down and look for the option called apps. So go ahead and tap on apps once you find it. And as you tap on apps, you have to go ahead and simply look for WhatsApp. So scroll down. In usual cases, it would be at the very bottom of the screen. So look for the WhatsApp app. Once you find WhatsApp, go to permissions. And once you go to permissions, you can see this option which says contacts. Tap on it and make sure that it is set to allow. When it is set to do not allow, it is not going to access the permissions of the contacts on your phone. So you have to set it to allow, and after that, come back. Now, I would also recommend you to go to storage and tap on clear cache. Do not clear data because that is going to remove all of your messages and you have to re-log into your WhatsApp app again. But most likely, hopefully this helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.